Alaikum. So finally the homework is here. Inshallah the deadline will be today. I will post Tuesday and you have to submit it by Wednesday this time. So I already gave everything here, and by reading this document actually you will be able to understand all except very minor things like the hover. Okay, so that's why I am also recording a companion video explaining exactly what's given to you and what you need to do. First of all, you have to follow this. Please read through it. And then what is being provided? What did I provide you? I've already given you a CSS, the style sheet, but of course no code. And I am also give you some examples, okay? Examples of things I thought maybe could help you. So by the time this is posted, you will see like some links like this where you can get, for example, the CSS shadows, okay, and also how you can create this type of icons, okay, which are the font awesome icons. All the images needed for the project are also given here. Also the text that is written in the website itself, in this website, is also all provided, so you don't have to type a single letter, including the text inside these buttons are all here. Okay, so you can see home, about us, this one is the text, and so on. So you can go to this one that says website content, and you can just copy paste this text and try to style it according to this website. All right, so this is given to you. I tried to really reduce the amount of things you need to do as much as I can. Also, this used to be 3 pages, now it's just 1 page. Okay, so you only need to achieve the home page, no about us, no contact us. Okay, so what are you expected to do? First, when the page is on and big, you should see the student image, the navigation should be on the right, this should be on the left, and so on. Look, when I minimize it, the student disappears. Okay, so maximize, student is here, minimize, student disappears. And here also the navigation in a smaller screen, they are below this. Okay, so in a medium screen and in bigger screen is exactly the same, whereas in the smaller screen they are below the logo. All right, second thing, here is the one of the activities, the club activity, and in the club activity it has a title, and in a smaller screen it only shows this icon, this stuff, but in a bigger screen you see there is a text here. So this text becomes hidden, and also this image becomes hidden when the screen size is small, but in a medium and in a bigger screen it stays the same. Okay, it's medium and big, that this thing stays the same, but in a smaller screen that thing is gone. Okay, also on the right hand side there are these tags. On a medium they disappear, also on a small they disappear, so they follow the same technique of this image. Okay, the student image, both of them, they don't exist anywhere in the page, by the way, they are just gone, not there. Okay, they only show up if the screen is big. So let's talk, newsletter, and all of these things, they show up when the screen is big, but in a smaller screen they are nowhere to be found. Okay, so they don't exist. Also on smaller screen, the paragraph also is gone. Now the last part is here, and in a smaller screen it should look like this, and in a bigger screen there should be this 3. Okay, 3 columns you can see here, and in a smaller screen they just this long 1 column. All right, that's all you have to do. The form has to be validated also, so make sure you validate the form. Okay, and when I hover over on these things, look, they change color. When I do hover over here, they also change color. Okay, they are changing color. Also here, when I hover over, they change color. And who else changes color? These guys, you see, they change. And also here, look, they change. So all of these things you need to handle them. Okay, this changing of colors must be handled. Most probably these guys and these guys, they are almost the same. Also here most probably you have to use the RAM, okay, which is automatically they are being added like this, okay, as long as there is a space. So use the grid at least for this part. This part I'm not going to tell you. You have to of course use flexbox for box and grids. Also here you can guess which one is being used. It's very obvious what is being used. Okay, thank you very much and good luck.